Good morning everyone. My name is Charlotte F. Labor. Today I will be presenting on flux cord arc welding, commonly referred to as FCOW. This presentation will cover the basics of FCOW, how it works, its types, advantage and disadvantages, also applications and safety considerations. Now, let's begin. Okay, first of all, let's begin to know what's the meaning of or what's the definition of FCOW, also known as flux cord arc welding or FCOW. FCOW is a semi-automatic or automatic welding process that uses a continuous consumable wire electrode containing a flux. Developed in the 1950s, it was introduced as an alternative to shielded metal arc welding SMAW and gas metal arc welding GMAW. FCOW is known for its efficiency and versatility in various welding applications. Okay, now let's discuss the how to works the FCOW. Well, FCOW requires specific equipment. Syempre kasama dyan yung welding power supply and yung wire feeder natin, flux cord wire electrode, and also the welding gun. Syempre, the process involves the flux core producing shielding gas when heated, which protects the weld pool from contamination. Inaalaw nito yung consistent and yung high quality syempre nung pag-welds natin para mas maging maayos. We have two main types of FCOW, self-shielded and gas-shielded. First, let's discuss the self-shielded. Self-shielded FCOW does not require an external shielding gas, making it suitable for outdoor welding and in windy conditions. On the other hand, gas-shielded FCOW use an external shielding gas to provide cleaner welds and is typically used in controlled environment. Siyempre, yung FCOW, nag-offer din yan ng mga several advantages. Kasama na dyan yung high welding speed, and ini-enhance din nito yung efficiency, also yung high versatile nito and suitable for welding various metals and thicknesses. Additionally, FCOW has high deposition rates, contributing to increased productivity in welding operations. Syempre, kung may advantages, meron din syempreng disadvantages, lagi yang magkasama. Despite sa mga advantages ng FCOW, meron din naman itong mga drawbacks. Yung pag-process nito yung generates higher levels of smoke and fumes compared to other welding methods, which can pose health risk if proper ventilation is not provided. Additionally, syempre yung FCOW kadalasan, di ba, hindi natin nakikita yan sa iba, sa mga ibang university hindi nag-offer niyan. Syempre nga naman yung cost of equipment nito, masyadong very high siya, which may be a barrier for some users, kaya minsan hindi sila nagre-required na magsama ng FCOW or other university na lang nila ina-offer yung mga ganito ko, yung may mga kasamang yung may mga mga ibang matataas na cost living. For applications nito, syempre yung FCOW madalas siyang ginagamit sa mga industries, sa mga such as construction, sa paggawa ng shipbuilding and yung mga heavy equipment manufacturing nito. Also, it is ideal for fabrication and repair work. Nagpo-provide ito ng strong and reliable welds in various applications. Yung versatility and efficiency nito sa FCOW, nagme-make to ng preferred choice in these sectors. Discuss na natin yung mga advantage, disadvantages, yung application nitong FCOW. Now naman, let's move on dito sa safety. Lagi yang kasama sa safety, syempre kapag magdi-discuss tayo niyan. Sa mga kahit anong klase sa FCOW, SMAW, GMAW, syempre yung safety talaga is crucial talaga yun para sa mga welders natin. Yung welder must use appropriate personal protective equipment, including syempre kung equipment kasama dyan yung welding helmets natin, yung gloves and protective clothing para sa mga sparks and UV radiation natin. Yung adequate ventilation is also essential to reduce exposure to harmful fumes and ensure a safe working environment sa ating mga welders. For conclusion naman natin, FCAL is a versatile, efficient welding process suitable for a wide range of applications. While it has both advantages and disadvantages, proper safety measures can mitigate its risks, making it a highly effective welding method. Okay, that's all. Thank you for attention, and I welcome any question or further discussion on this topic. Bye. Thank you for listening.